Thank you for joining 1 Minute News. This is the 1 minute summary of this breaking news. For detailed report, keep watching this report.
In a landmark verdict, the Bombay High Court's Aurangabad bench has annulled a marriage, ruling that the husband is entitled to a nullity decree after his wife's family deliberately suppressed her cerebral palsy before the wedding. The 31-year-old husband, who married in April 2018, discovered his wife's incurable condition only months after the wedding. While a family court had initially dismissed his plea, the High Court reversed the decision, stating that the concealment of such a significant and incurable disease constitutes fraud. This case brings into sharp focus the ethical and legal complexities of arranged marriages and the right to information.
This is the 1 minute summary of this breaking news. For detailed report, keep watching this report.
This case stems from a petition filed by a 31-year-old husband against his wife, whom he married in April 2018. The husband, whose name has been withheld for privacy, approached the court seeking an annulment of his marriage. According to his plea, he, soon after the wedding, began noticing that his wife had several health issues, including prolonged periods of sleep, bedwetting, and frequent unresponsiveness. When he questioned his father-in-law, he received unsatisfactory replies. With his father-in-law's consent, he took his wife to a doctor for a checkup. The doctor diagnosed her with cerebral palsy, a lifelong disorder affecting movement and muscle coordination, and informed the husband that her condition was incurable and that her brain was underdeveloped. The doctor reportedly told him it was highly improper for her family to get her married despite her condition. The case was first heard by a family court in August 2023, which surprisingly dismissed the husband's plea, stating that cerebral palsy was a physical disorder and not a mental disorder, and therefore the wife could not be considered of unsound mind. The family court also noted that the wife behaved like an ordinary person during the wedding and did not become violent. Dissatisfied with this bizarre ruling, the husband challenged the verdict in the Bombay High Court. A bench of Justices Nitin B. Suryawanshi and Sandip Kumar C. Moore, after reviewing the evidence and medical reports, overturned the family court's order. The High Court stated that the family court had erred by not considering the suppression of an incurable disease as a valid ground for annulment under Section 12(1)(c) of the Hindu Marriage Act, which allows for annulment if consent was obtained by fraud. The bench clarified that while cerebral palsy may not prevent a person from enjoying marital life, the deliberate concealment of such a serious and incurable condition is a material fact that would have influenced the husband's decision to marry. The court declared the marriage null and void, offering the husband a path to a new life and highlighting the importance of honesty and full disclosure in matrimonial alliances.